Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer about residue. So now I will show you. The first thing, we have the circle. We know that z, that is about 8 plus bi. This one, that is about the real one. This one, that is about imaginary. And we need to know that this is about the absolute value. So if we put inside the absolute value, you got about the square root of a square plus b square. And this one equals to number 2. So we put the power number 2 for the both sides. To cancel about the square root. And if we look carefully about this one that is about the circle at the center 0, 0, and the radius that is about number 2. So we need to graph about the circle. So this one that is about 8. This one that is about b. So we have the radius that is about number 2 in here. The next one, we need to find the both. So let's go back to this one. We need to focus about the denominator in here. So we will have about 9 minus z square equals to number 0, and z plus number 1 equals to number 0. So in this one, we have z square equals to number 9, and this one we put the square root for the both sides, and you got about z equals to number 3, and z equals to negative number 3. This one you got about z equals to negative number 1. So we have z equals to a plus bi. But we have number 3. That means we have z equals to number 3 plus 0i. And we can do similar for this one and this one. So that means 8 equals to number 3. So number 3, that's it in here. Negative number 3, that's it in here. Negative number 1, that's it in here. So we can see that negative number 1 inside the circle. So we just select only this point in here. So at z equals to negative number 1. So we have 3z equals to z plus number 1 multiplied by f of z. F of z, that is about this one. So I will put this one go in here, multiplied by z plus number 1. So we can simplify this one and this one, and you got z over 9 minus z square. And now we can find about residue. At negative number 1. and that is about 3 of negative number 1. So we put negative number 1 go to this one. So we calculate this one and we got negative 1 over 8. We need to change this one in here. This one f go in here. So after we got this one, we can find the value of this one. That is about 2pi multiplied by this one, residue f negative number 1. And the value we just calculate that is about negative 1 over 8. And we have negative 1 over 4 bi. This is the end. Thank you for watching.